Commercial Bank Money Token Sandbox Introduction. The Commercial Bank Money Token (CBMT) project, introduced by the German Banking Industry Committee in collaboration with major banks like Commerzbank, DZ Bank, and UniCredit, is an initiative that brings together tokenized deposit systems with an interbank settlement mechanism. CBMT combines the benefits of DLT and commercial bank money. Its official technical service providers, GFT and UDPN, have jointly developed the CBMT Sandbox to enable full lifecycle simulation from token management to payments and settlements under real-world conditions. The sandbox consists of two Hyperledger BSU-based permission blockchains and one public chain. While in production, tokens can be deployed on any environment and blockchain, including banks' private chains. Each participating bank chooses a blockchain and deploys a CBMT core smart contract, which defines the essential functions for tokenized commercial bank money. While the core contract remains standardized, banks and enterprises can extend it to support additional business logic and use cases. A CBMT bridge connects all CBMT core smart contracts across different chains, forming the foundation for interoperability and cross-bank, cross-chain settlements. All in-bank token-related operations are executed through each bank's control panel, where banks manage tokens, wallets, settlements, and their enterprise customers, who can transact with one another across different banks and blockchain networks, regardless of where their enterprise accounts are hosted. Now, let's take a closer look at the commercial bank control panel of the CBMT Sandbox. Each participating bank manages its token through four management wallets: the issuing, mint, redemption, and general wallets, covering the entire token lifecycle, from issuance and minting to redemption and settlement. The sandbox currently supports US dollar, euro, and Japanese yen, and can be expanded to include other currencies as required by the CBMT Working Group. Banks can easily onboard enterprise users. Onboarded enterprises can build their own applications to register new wallets, purchase FX, and make payments via their bank's CBMT Control Panel APIs. Settlement management is one of the core modules of the CBMT design, which is executed through a dedicated convert wallet that each bank holds within the counterparty's CBMT system. When two banks hold each other's CBMT tokens pegged to the same fiat currency, they can perform a net settlement to offset mutual positions, leaving only the net balance between them. If a remaining balance exists, a gross settlement can then be initiated, in which the outstanding token balance is fully settled in fiat through the Mimic RTGS system. The sandbox supports multiple currencies. Each issuing bank defines and manages its own currency pairs and exchange rates, while also providing liquidity through the Mint wallet. For cross-currency transfers, users must first initiate a foreign exchange purchase before sending tokens in the target currency to the recipient. All transaction records, including intrabank and interbank transfers, FX purchases, and cross-chain transactions executed via the CBMT bridge, can be reviewed in the control panel. Each bank can only view transactions associated with its own CBMT system and cannot see any data from other banks. As part of the sandbox, we simulate an enterprise front-end and an Android-based mobile application to demonstrate all core functionalities, including wallet management, top-up and withdrawal, transfer, and FX purchasing from an end-user perspective. In addition, the sandbox offers powerful API support for system integration. Banks can embed all control panel functions into their existing core banking systems, while enterprise users can develop or connect their own front-end applications. The CBMT represents an integrated framework in which each participating bank operates its own tokenized deposit system, interconnected through a shared settlement network. Unlike the fully decentralized model like UDPN or the popular unified ledger model adopted by many projects, CBMT introduces a third approach, a hybrid architecture that balances autonomy and interoperability. We believe that this model has the potential to become a mainstream foundation for future token-based banking systems, and we invite banks and enterprises to join the CBMT Sandbox to explore this next-generation banking and settlement framework together. Reach us at cbmt@udpn.io to explore how your institution can benefit from the CBMT